British Columbia is facing mounting pressure to abandon its drug decriminalization program. It's a pilot project supposed to run until the end of January 2026. But police and city councillors have voiced concerns already over public safety. Here's Tanya Fletcher.
In a unique move, city councillors from multiple municipalities are collectively calling on the province to reverse course on drug decriminalization. 3 of them are now putting forward motions to their respective city councils to do just that.
We're seeing a rising in overdoses. We're hearing about more people dying because of overdoses. We're hearing about needles and other drug paraphernalia being left in public places. We need to come up with solutions that will help people that have addiction issues, and this clearly is not happening. Well, I think we should learn from what happened in Oregon. Clearly it did not work there. It was a failed experiment, and it's not working in British Columbia.
It comes a week after the RCMP and the head of BC's Association of Police Chiefs testified before a health committee in Ottawa, saying the province's decriminalization pilot project is affecting their ability to manage public drug use in places like parks, beaches, and hospitals. Last month, Oregon abandoned a similar program in the face of widespread consumption on city streets and a growing number of overdose deaths. Now, with pressure building for BC to follow suit, Premier David Eby says the province is looking at options.
Simply because we have compassion and concern about those struggling with addiction does not mean that we need to give up our public spaces, does not mean that we need to have parks or playgrounds that are less safe. And I share those concerns.
All of this falls across a political backdrop with both a provincial and federal election on the horizon and the question of how much public opinion might sway public policy. In the meantime, BC's Minister of Mental Health and Addiction says she'll be meeting with her federal counterpart later this week. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Vancouver.